You want a room tour? Let's go.
So guys, this is our two sharing hostel room. As you can see, it is quite spacious, bright and perfect for two people. This is our study table. We keep all books, stationery, laptops and daily essential here. This is our small puja rank. We kept it here to start our day with prayers and positive energy. The shelf above give me spacious storage for skincare, notes and small accessory so everything can stay organized and within easy to reach. One of my favorite thing about this room is this large window. This is an extra storage rack that we bought from Flipkart. Dressing cupboard is provided by the hostel. The cost of this two sharing room is around 2.8 lakh per year. It is different in each year according to semester, I think. This rack isn't provided by the hostel. My friend bought it. Oh wow, it is so cute. Mini kitchen is only provided in 2, 4 and 5 sharing room. We can have our kettles with us, but induction is not allowed. Okay. Now let's talk about the things you need to buy yourself. The hostel only provide a bed, study table, chair and a cupboard. All the essentials like bucket, mug, pillow and dustbin you have to buy yourself. Okay. So let's go to the washroom. It is quite spacious. Now I am ending this video, so please subscribe and follow it for more information.